What's going on? I just recently started working with a new firm out in Chicago. So I've been kind of learning the ropes with this new platform. It's called Takion. It's by far the most in-depth, advanced trading platform I've ever used in my life. I wanted to just put out a video of what the pre-market looks like on some movers. We had a lot of movement in CBio, trading around 300,000 shares. Eric's gapping up. And then Riot, maybe a continuation from yesterday. We'll see. Maybe get some squeeze action towards the upside there. One, the biggest issue with Tachyon, in my opinion, is just the charting and the technical analysis abilities. Just to be, plain and simple with you, it sucks. I find myself having to substitute, Thinkorswim charts in here to help with some charting and technical analysis and whatnot. It sucks too because they don't link or anything. But if you're an active trader, there really is nothing more powerful than Tachyon. I was on Sterling Trader Pro for a few years, and I thought that was super advanced, but this is just a whole nother level. Let me give you a feel for what you can do. So let me just go into, let's just buy my bid key right here. Hoping that my account number isn't showing for any of you schmucks to pick me up. But yeah, look, this is interesting. So we have all the destinations down here. You got everything. The group that I work with has several proprietary routes that I've been using and have been testing the last few weeks. But this is basically the order pane, the order window. It allows you to do whatever you want. Even you can even go within the routing itself, and you can rather within the venue itself, and customize your routing options and abilities. You can even work with the exchanges and customize your own. I know a lot of traders have top tick routes, SSR routes. It's something to look into if you're doing volume, just so you don't get whacked on the in, whacked on the out with commission. Um, it's a very interesting platform. I still don't know the ropes. I'm only trading 25 lots, 100 lots. I don't have the I'm not comfortable enough really to be doing normal size, just because I don't have my keys down. I don't know where to look. I don't have my buttons down. So it's just a matter of feeling the platform out. I've gotten the level 2 to a point where I like it visually. That's the most important thing, is just being able to visually understand what you're looking at and know where to look for information. But yeah, I've got an order module here. I got my level 2 time and sales. It's very in depth. It gives you the order and exchange conditions here, the NSBS and the F and T's. I sort it by block. And then obviously here are my order windows for each individual stock I'm trading. Down here is my position window, my executions, my position managers, and then my orders, my longs, and my shorts. A bunch of watch lists here. What you're not seeing is my two other screens full of charts and star and watch lists. Pretty active over there. I'll show you a watch list that I like to pull up and see if this. Okay, cool. It picks it up. This is just how I get a feel for what's moving. I like to scan for a minimum of a million shares traded, up 8%, 7 3/4, somewhere around that range, and then the stock greater than 90 cents. So I don't want to be trading any pennies, and I want to see things that are trading with some decent volume and are making significant moves. So this helps me visualize that, and helps me put some charts and some tickers on the chart. Um, there's not really one answer to anything. I know all traders use hundreds of different resources. This is just one that I happen to use. And if you guys keep up with my videos, you all know that how much I love Market Chameleon. This is my absolute favorite website when it comes to analyzing options information, as well as some pre-market and aftermarket information as well. It gives you a pretty decent chart of the gainers, the decliners. It gives you all the news. Gives you the news feed as to why things are moving. It's pretty interesting. To be honest, I didn't see this gapping up, so let's see what's going on. Oh, bank earnings. That's probably what it is. All the banks have been getting crazy on positive earnings, so we'll see some big moves higher there. Let's see what Bank of America is doing here. If you pull up Bank of America daily, we pulled back. We've made a higher high, and we're now sort of reversed this downtrend we've been in the last few months. A good trade for me has been IBB. I got long on the most recent pullback down here in the 100s. I was playing the 100 bounce, didn't get down there. I ended up chasing a little bit. I think I got long in the 102s. Not stock, I'm trading call spreads. So I got a pretty big time horizon, and I'm not expecting a move shorter, but I really do like the resistance this thing has been trading with considering how bearish Trump has been on the overall pharmaceutical sector. So we'll see how this continues to trade higher. We've got a double top here, and then we've got some other some past performance playing into the technical analysis of things. So keep an eye on that. Let me pull this back over here, but I keep getting distracted. The reason for this video was Takion, and I'm going to keep popping up videos here to help myself personally run through understanding the platform a little better. You can customize everything, and I mean everything. It's a very, very, very trader-friendly, hands-on program. It can be a little weird in terms of functionality sometimes, but other than that, things are good, and I really like the flow of it all. It's really designed for hotkeys. So if you can come over here, you can see all my hotkeys here. I've got a ton. My ins, my outs, my passives, my aggressives, my ISOs, my sweeps. I have it all in terms of hotkeys, which I think is important and valuable. Um, yeah, right now just waiting on the pre-market here to see what moves, see what gets attractive for me to trade. We'll see if I end up trading at all today. I'm not too sure, but figured I'd put out this video to help if anyone else that's trading Takion and would like to hear some other people talk about it. I know they don't have any user manuals out there, which is surprising. It's a very interesting, quiet company in terms of product launches and volume as to who's using it. So keep an eye out for more. I'll be back. Have a great trading day, guys, and best of luck.